Welcome to Chand Bagh School, Grade 11, Physics 5054, Paper 2, May-June 2013, Variant 22, Lecture number 14. Question number 7. Figure 7.1 shows a view from above of two wires X and Y. These wires carry equal current vertically downward through a piece of cord. One complete magnetic field line is drawn around each wire. In this question, ignore the effect of Earth magnetic field. Part A. On figure 7.1, draw the complete magnetic field line due to the current in wire X that passes through point A. Mark the direction of this field line. To answer that question, dear students, we know that question is of 2 marks. So if we see the figure, first of all, for the direction of current, they have writing the cross sign, and the cross sign shows that the current is flow into the page. If there is a dot sign, so the dot sign means the current is flow out of the page. But in this question, they show the cross sign of on X and Y wire. So therefore, the both wire the current is flow into the page. So to answer that question by using thumb right hand rule, in which curving a finger shows the direction of magnetic field for a straight wire and thumb shows the direction of current for a straight wire. So this is draw. So to answer that question, you must draw the magnetic field of lines around that X. But I am only giving you the direction of that magnetic field of line by using thumb rule. So your thumb direction will be into the page. So when your thumb direction will be into the page, so this show the direction of current will be into the page, then your curving of fingers will be clockwise direction, and this clockwise direction shows the direction of magnetic field around that wire X. And keep in mind, when you are drawing the circular direction around that wire X, the one line should be cross or should be near to the point A, because they have clearly write in question that draw your line nearly point A. Then they will give you the 2 marks. Part B of question 7 is that point B is midway between the two wires. Explain why the magnetic field at B point is 0. To answer that question, we must see the diagram. If you see the diagram, in diagram the both wires is going the in which the current is going into the page. So if you are using right hand thumb rule, you will see at the point B the direction of magnetic field at point B are cancelling each other. So therefore at point B the magnitude of magnetic field are equal but in opposite direction, due to which they are cancelling the effect of each other at point B. Question number C. There is a force on wire Y due to the current in wire X. Part 1. State the direction of the force on wire Y. So the direction of force on wire Y toward left, or you can say it will be toward Y due to the magnetic field of X which is produced by the current in the wire. Part C, question number 2. Explain why there is a force on wire Y. Dear student, as we know, according to the concept of electromagnetic, that when there is a flow of current in the wire, there must be a magnetic field around that wire. So, when the current is flowing in wire Y, then there is a magnetic field around that current on wire Y. So, we can say similarly in wire X, because the current is flowing, so there will be a magnetic field around that wire X. So, both magnetic fields are attracting each other. That's why the force is there due to the current and the current producing magnetic field around that wires. I hope you will enjoy the lecture. Best of luck for next time.